Once upon a time, a long time ago, a king and a queen had a beautiful daughter named Fiona. But she was possessed by a terrible curse. By day, a lovely princess. By night, a hideous ogre. Only true love's kiss could lift her curse. So Fiona waited in a tower, guarded by a dragon, until the day when her true love would arrive. No one would have guessed that an ogre named Shrak, whose roar was feared throughout the land, would save the beautiful Princess Fiona. True love's kiss led to marriage and ogre babies. The kingdom of far, far away was finally at peace. Oh, goody for them! And they lived happily ever after. That is, until he signed the contract. Now, things are going to change!
So, you signed a contract with Rumpelstiltskin, yeah? You get to be a real ogre again, but only for a day. Live it up. Here's a little tip, yeah? If you want to shake the tree good, press the attack. With so much gold lying around, I could corner the straw house market.
This is the part where you're supposed to run away.
God.
Feels good to be the real me again.
You'll blow the hat off my head.
Oh, it's great to be an ogre again.
Remember, if someone hoofs and poofs and blows you down, you can heal yourself.
Oh! No fair! Plenty more where that came from.
You can change characters using the change character.
What's more like it?
Like an ogre raiding party. You are part of if your health is low.
I'm ready when you are.
Hey, stop! Let me catch you! Ow! Stop hitting
That's
me!
what you get.
Oh! Okay, I'm sorry. That hurts. Stop hitting me!
If you can get hit without taking damage, you're
That hurts. My arm!
This
Ow!
one's for you.
That hurts. My arm!
Take that!
if you want to scare the pants off your.
I am now a much
How
less
does that feel?
Ow! That hurt more than a week.
That'll teach you. That was good.
Oh, sure is great to be wanted again. Oh no, they're after Fiona. What's going on here?
Now, time to unveil my secret plan to bring down that meddling green ogre. Oh, Shrek, I have been watching you. Ever since you stuck your big fat nose where it didn't belong. Fifi, in the box! Oh, my beautiful dollies. So, Shrek, think you can just march in here and steal my kingdom? No way! After all, it is the happily ever after that I deserve! Roar! I'm Shrek, and I wanted my old ogre life back so bad that I actually traded it for the day I was born. Because I'm so stupid, and that Rumpelstiltskin is so smart. Ah, thank you. You're welcome. Fiona? Donkey! Hey, back off! I don't know you. In fact, I've never seen you before in my entire life. Ooh, ha ha ha! An ogre and a talking donkey, friends. You would not happen to have a saucer of cream on you, would ya? That's right, Fifi. Enough of this idle chitty-chat. When this day is done, so is Shrek's life. And far, far away will be mine, mine forever. Fifi, Heimlich.
Hey, sometimes you got to be pushed.
Oh, this is great. Take it, pal.
Look out!
Fiona may be light on her feet for...
Stop that!
Oh, yeah.
That donkey is too much, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Stop that. Ha-ha.
If you want to climb walls... Keep your eyes peeled for the hole.
Take that!
Keep your eyes open.
I am pretending they are scratching posts. Oh, that's my sensitive side. And done.
Hey there. You want to join the fight? Fiona says we can use all the help.
Fiona? How do you...
Fiona's lead.
Fiona's lead?
If you're ever lost, just...
Welcome to my store.
Donkey, I think I've done...
It didn't happen.
No,
that's good.
No, Donkey!
You what? You never, ever sign a contract with Rumpelstiltskin. He's got the slipperiest fine print in the world.
Tell me about it.
Man, even his exit clauses are sneaky.
Exit clause?
Yeah, Rumpel's contracts always come with an exit clause. Everybody knows that. Here, I'll show you. Give me the contract.
Okay, it's right here. Oh, I must have left it in the swamp.
You what? No. You don't understand. We got to find that contract, Shrek.
All right, time to move out. You two coming?
Coming? Where?
Swamp Patrol. Some of Rumpel's witches have been spotted there. I want to know what they're up to.
The swamp? That's great! Sure, we love Swamp Patrol, don't we, Donkey?
Oh, sure. Nothing I like better than a little swamp patrol. Wait, did she say witches?